Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how I paint this forest landscape step by step. We'll focus on capturing natural light using acrylics and oils. I hope this process inspires you. Let's get started. This time, I wanted to capture the beauty of early autumn light as it filters through the deep forest and kisses the leaves. Why early autumn, you might ask? Compared to the height of summer when everything is solid green, or late autumn when the leaves have all turned yellow or fallen, this transition is incredibly special. It's a fleeting moment where summer fades into autumn, creating a rich, emotional palette of colors that is truly moving. Before I even touch the brush, I must first visualize and feel the painting in my mind. The composition of forms, the composition of light and shadow, and the composition of colors must all work in harmony to express the vision held within you. In art, the composition is more than just a layout. It is the strategic blueprint of the soul. It is the roadmap that translates your inner feelings into a visual reality. When developing the composition of forms, I rely on two fundamental laws of nature. First is the law of uniqueness. In nature, no two things are ever identical. Every branch and every leaf is one of a kind, and capturing this organic variety is what makes a painting feel alive. Second is the law of perspective. This allows me to create the illusion of vast space and depth on a flat surface, guiding the viewer's eye deep into the heart of the forest. Note that colors become cooler as they recede and warmer as they come forward. Avoid using yellow or intense warm tones for distant objects. Similarly, avoid using blue or cool tones for elements in the foreground. The final character of a color is determined by which pigment dominates the mix. Observe how every color in nature is a complex blend of many tones. In contrast, the paint straight from your tube is often too pure and artificial. To capture true realism, avoid using colors straight from the tube. Always mix and layer them with other shades to achieve that rich, natural harmony. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope these lessons on nature's laws inspire you to pick up your brush and create. I also hope you enjoyed my original piano composition, Rainfall in the Forest, which accompanied our journey today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our journey of learning from nature. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep observing and keep painting.